Hey guys, Claire here, and today on the Kitchen, I am celebrating Easter, and if you guys have seen any of my other Easter videos, you know that I am not into egg dyeing. It's not into it. It's messy. Then you just have a bunch of colored hard-boiled eggs in your house. I honestly don't get it. I kind of just, it's never appealed to me. I don't really understand it. So I've tried to like work my way around it in the past by doing things like, you know, the cascarones, which are so fun. It's confetti-filled eggs, and the terrarium eggs, things like that. So make sure to look out for those videos. So this year I kind of ran out of egg ideas. And then I remembered that one of my favorite candies when I was a kid were those chocolate-covered like robin's eggs. So I did a little Pinteresting and I saw some super fun ideas. So this one is, I'm doing a robin's egg nest cupcake. So this is gonna be very fun. So to do this, it's really simple. You just need your favorite vanilla frosting. For me, it's Italian buttercream, which I've done on the site so many times, so please make sure to look it up. The recipe's definitely on my blog like 100 times over, so check it out there too. And for the cupcakes, you could do my sponge cake recipe, which is on the YouTube channel. I also would recommend Tina's buttermilk cake recipe, which is fantastic. So any of the cake recipes you've seen on this channel will totally work. What I have in front of me are chocolate-covered robin's eggs, some toasted coconut. This is gonna be the nest. I have some spirulina to color the frosting. Spirulina is a type of algae. It has kind of a strong flavor, so I'm just using a tiny amount, but honestly, if you wanted to use blue food coloring, that's totally fine too. I'm just trying to keep it natural. And then to do the speckles, I have some dark cocoa powder. So this is Valrhona, so it's really rich and dark. And then I have a little bit of water. So I'm gonna mix this together and with a paintbrush, flick spots all over the place. All right, well, let's put this together. So I am going to first take the spirulina and just put in like a pinch. You just wanna use a little bit because spirulina does have a strong flavor, but you end up getting this really gorgeous color. It's just so beautiful. To me, this is robin's egg blue. It's kind of like somewhere between blue and green. I have my pastry bag here and I don't have any kind of tip in it. And that's because I'm not really too worried about it. If it looks cute when I just pipe it out of the bag, awesome. If it doesn't, I have my offset spatula right there, ready to go. So I'm just gonna put some spoonfuls just right into here like that. And now I'm just gonna very gently just do the tops of my cupcakes all the way around. So I'm gonna use my offset spatula. I'm just gonna go over the tops. And now I'm gonna combine the cocoa powder with a little bit of water. So I'm just gonna add a tiny bit at a time. So it kind of creates like a paste. And then I'm gonna add more water so I can flick it. So this is definitely gonna create a mess, but whatever. And also kids will have so much fun doing this because of the mess aspect. So you take your paintbrush, dip it in, and this only works if the paintbrush is super stiff. Okay. And then you just kind of, with your wrist, flick it like this. So you get kind of like speckles everywhere. All right, time for the finishing touches. So I'm gonna put some of the coconut on top like this. So it looks like a little bird's nest. And then last but not least, I'm putting my little chocolate eggs on top, so it really does look like a nest, which is so cute. And they're done. And I think they're pretty cute. I'm actually really into it. So I love this because you get the eggs involved somehow in Easter, but you don't have to sit there dyeing things and having your house smell like hard-boiled eggs. So I think this is so cute and fun. It's really kid-friendly, and yeah, it's delicious too. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed watching how to make this really fun Easter, kind of like an edible DIY. Springtime is such a beautiful time of year. It's so fun to be able to do these kinds of things. So please comment below. I can't wait to hear about what your favorite springtime and Easter ideas are. All right, cool. Well, until next time, I'll see you then.